Question 21. The table gives figures for, okay, what's the question? What can be concluded from the figures? We need to take a look. Let's see. Oh, nominal household spending and real household consumption spending. Okay. A says all households bought more goods and services in 2010 than in 2008. We don't know. More goods and services is a quantity of goods and services, and oh wait, maybe we can see the nominal amount. You see the, oh my gosh, no, it looks like they actually bought less. So we can tell that answer A is no. B says households saved more in 2008 than in 2010. We don't know their incomes, so we don't know their savings. So we're not sure. So we cannot conclude that from the figures. That's a no. C says living standards were lower in 2009 than 2010. Let's see, 2009 than 2010. Again, we're not sure. It looks like, wow, it looks like there was, living standards are lower in 2009 than 2010. We're not sure. Maybe there was deflation between 2008 and 2009. Oh, that was the financial crisis. So probably. So not sure about C. So hope D works out. D says the rate of inflation was higher in 2010 than 2009. And, nominal, oh, and we have real household consumption, so I would say that there was probably deflation here and inflation here, so I think inflation was higher in 2010 than 2009. So answer D for question 21. Question 22. Oh, more numbers. It's a nightmare. Let's see. Okay, lots of numbers for 4 different countries. Lots of numbers, and this is imports and exports in 2005 and 2014. So what can we conclude about the balance of trade in goods and services from the table? A says Argentina had a larger surplus in 2014 than in 2005. Let's see. Argentina had a larger surplus. They had a surplus of about 47, about 12,000 in 2005. And wow, there's only a surplus of about 3,000 in 2014, so no. B says Brazil had a surplus in 2005 and a deficit in 2014. Let's see. Wow, big surplus in 2005 and exports, imports, and a deficit in 2014. So yes, looks like B is our answer. C says Ecuador had a deficit in 2005 and a surplus in 2014. Ecuador has, yes, Ecuador had a small deficit in 2005 and a surplus in 2014. No, they had another deficit in 2014. And D says Mexico had a larger deficit in 2005 than in 2014. So let's see. Well, I say B's the answer. Why did they give us this question? Had a larger deficit. What's the deficit in Mexico? Okay, in Mexico the deficit is about $14,800. So $14,800, and here their deficit is, I assume there's a deficit in 2014, maybe. Yes, here the deficit is about 434 minus 419. And that's 34. That's about 15,000. So that's a close question. That's not true. So answer for 22 is B.